Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aina Izzati Binti Zailani. My metric number is F18A0241. My supervisor name is Puan Suhana Binti Zakaria. The title for my FYP proposal is the effect of different concentration for Coccoli and Yara crystalline red in growth and soil nutrient of Solanus temon. For research background, fertilizer and soil nutrient management is required for the continuous nursery system productivity in addition to good soil quality. And then this study looked at the effect of organic fertilizers such as Coccoli and Yara crystalline red treatments on growth quality as well as soil and tissue chemical properties. Organic fertilizer greatly improve soil pH and nitrogen concentration as well as available phosphorus, attainable potassium, calcium and magnesium. Organic fertilizer improve the composition, the soil porosity, inability to retain water and biological transformation such as mineralization. Organic fertilizers such as Coccoli and Yara crystalline red can enhance soil nutrient, water holding ability and biological transformation. For problem statement, Solanus temon is an annual mint family or herbaceous perennial with attractive foliage and succulent stems that comes in variety of colors and provide year-round interest. Another problem statement is about the soil nutrient by using different types of organic fertilizer, which is Coccoli and Yara crystalline red, and with different concentration, which is start from 0.1 until 0.3. Nutrient deficiency can have a substantial impact on agriculture, resulting in lower yield or plant quality. The significance of study is to give knowledge on how to have better choice for choosing the exactly types of organic fertilizer that's suitable for the non-woody flower like Solanus temon, and then it is critical for providing plants with enough nutrients to achieve maximum productivity while also restoring the soil fertility and protecting the environment and natural resources. And then it is critical for providing plants with enough nutrients to achieve maximum productivity while also restoring the soil fertility and protecting the environment and natural resources. These significant studies are also contribute to an environment because organic fertilizer can reduce possible environmental degradation from inorganic fertilizer and also can maintain sustainable agriculture productivity. There are two objectives, which are to evaluate the effect of different concentration of Coccoli and Yara crystalline red on growth performance of Solanus temon, and second is to analyze soil nutrient content in soil used to planting Solanus temon. Literature review for organic fertilizer authored by Mustafa 2011. Organic fertilizer production aids in the conversion of waste that would otherwise be needed to the environment into environmentally useful materials. For economic bio-based fertilizer authored by Alwekri 2005, it is necessary to compare the effects of commercially available organic-based product fertilizer in order to determine their efficiencies and reduce environmental impact. For the effect of organic manure and chemical fertilizer on growth and nutrient concentration in nursery, authored by Murmur 2013, discovered that organic manure increased crop productivity, nitrogen utilization efficiency, and soil health when compared to chemical fertilizer. Of different organic fertilizer on yield, authored by Robert 2007, applying cattle manure can be used solely or in conjunction with other organic materials. Fertilizer increase organic tomato yield comparable to inorganic fertilizer. And then for Kokoli, authored by Shandong 2013, Kokoli fertilizer and its function during the 8 key stages of plant growth, which is include the nursery period, which helps to avoid damping off and other diseases. For Yarathera crystallon red, authored by Yara 2021, Yarathera crystallon red is specially designed formula for fruit crops, flower bulbs, and soil with high of K levels. For soil nutrient, authored by Erisman 2008, it is estimated that industrial fixed and fertilizer accounts for 40 to 48% of global supply of protein in soil nutrient. And for Solenostemon, authored by Sharma 2015, it for finding makes low maintenance house plants and can be propagated by cutting a length of stem just below the leaves and immerse it in water to root. For the methodology, apparatus that will be used is polybags, peat moss, soil, sand, organic fertilizer such as Kokoli and Yarathera crystallon red, common fertilizer, Solenostemon, HCl and H4, colorimeter, ammonium, acetate and sulfuric acid. For step 1, choose types of organic materials. Each polybag needs to be labeled with different concentration and types of organic fertilizer that will be used. For step 2 is soil preparation, which is peat moss, soil and sand will be used for soil preparation and it will be mixed together at ratio 3:1. The pH of soil must be close to the neutral, which is 6.5 to 7.5. It must have adequate water retention and aeration capabilities. For step 3, choose plant materials, which is plant materials that will be used is Solenostemon, which is need a shelter setting in nursery in full sun or part shade of ample water in dry weather. For this step, 5 cm of healthy stem we will use of planting in polybags. For step 4, plant propagation, which is selected cutting will be took and cut, and cutting should be 6 inches in length. Step 5 is soil analysis, which is soil sample we will collect each with 3 level, which is 0 until 3, 4 until 7, 8 until 12 cm. For step 6 is data collection, which is based on their height, length of root, length of leaf, number of leaf, and soil nutrient. For expected outcome, organic fertilizers of various type may aid in mineral nutrient and crop absorption. Besides that, organic fertilizer improve natural soil process, which have a long-term implication for soil fertility. Other standard for Gantt and Millstone for preparation of the proposal will be held on April of 2021, while for proposal defense will be on May of 2021. For conduction, which is soil preparation, plant propagation and fertilizer, will be held on August until October of 2021. For data checking and analysis will be held on October of 2021 until December. For thesis preparation will be held on August until February of 2022. For submission of research proposal will be held on April of 2021, while finished proposal defense on May 2021. Experiment will be held on May 2021. Thesis submission will be held on March of 2022. Finished Viva will be held on March of 2022. The total of budget is 263. Item that needed is plant material, which is Solenostemon for 20 plant, for 100 ringgit, Kokoli for 5 kg at 50 ringgit, Yara Crystalon at 5 kg for 50 ringgit, Pit Moss 7 liter per bag for 33 ringgit, Polybag for 3 kg at 30 ringgit. So the total for this experiment is 263. So there are 3 references based on literature review, which is Mustafa Sanusi 2012, Morumo, Swain and Koch at 2013, Arisman, Sultan and Galloway, Clemon, Windwater at 2008. So that's all from me. Thank you.